save. Some weeks she would save 2,000, some weeks she would save 1,000. She just had the target of saving 6,000 every month, but she was saving it weekly. They had this card where they would tick for you and they would tick in their own register to show that you have paid. That was our local system of making sure that there was savings. So because banks were not very much available then in the society. And how much did you actually have you wanted to go and put in the bank? And as of then, putting money in the bank was very exhausting, because when you put money, to collect the money is another problem. Putting money is a problem. Collecting the money is another problem. So people resorted to this Esusu system. So my mother was really engaged in this system. Fast forward in 2002, when my mom told me to go get the money, it was around 40-something thousand. My mother took 40,000 naira. There was this man in our church then who told my mom about an opportunity to buy a land somewhere close to the main road. There was this land that was available. The land sold for 40,000.